I bought a 3-phase air compressor model 2340n5-v Ingersoll Rand. I may have screwed up. Need some help wiring the 3-phase source. Not sure I have the right box.
Hi, I'm Mike and I'll be assisting you. Please stand by while I review your question. What is the nameplate voltage and amperage? What is your service voltage?
230V AC. Not sure the service voltage.
230 volts isn't a 3-phase voltage. It would be 208 or 240 volts. What is the amperage? Could you send a picture of the nameplate and of the service panel, showing the breakers?
Sorry, got busy. Here is what I'm working with.
Still need the nameplate info on the compressor.
Hope this is what you're looking for. I'm running out of labels to shoot. This was in the owner's manual.
The last picture has no info on the requirements for the compressor. Voltage, amperage. I can't even read the model number because of the picture quality.
Model number, 2340, serial number NAR1018155. There is another label. Called VEG overloads. Do you need that?
I checked online using the model number of the compressor and every listing show it is single phase, not 3-phase. You have a single phase service and your starter can be used for either single or 3-phase. That being said, I don't know what more you need. Size the feeder for 125% of the listed motor amperage.
I pulled this off the Recipe, Ingersoll Rand Type 30 reciprocating 80 gal. 5 horsepower electric 200 volt 3-phase air compressor 200 volt shows to use 10 gauge wire. At the top it shows L1, L2, L3 hookup. I've tried hooking 220 to L1, L2 but could not find a place for the common L3. I assume is the third power wire.
The control box is a 3-phase starter. It can use 240 volts for the coil. It can be used for a single-phase load. You have a single-phase motor on the compressor as several sites show online. The red and black wires are 240 volts single-phase and need to be through the fuses. The white wire is in neutral, which isn't required but look to be terminated in the box. The diagram shows the 3-phase wiring. To use single-phase, eliminate the third pole.
I hope you're right. I'll try it again. There are 3 wires coming out of the motor, 2 have dots, 1 is as nothing. They are all black.
Hold it. There has to be a nameplate on the motor. If it isn't as shown online, it should be identified. I don't advise you to wire it with the info just given. I'm going to opt out on the question. Too often electrical equipment made in foreign countries present a problem.
I found the plate on the motor. I was getting it off the pump, my bad. Let's try again.
The motor is 200 volts 3-phase and you'll either need a transformer or a motor replacement. I suggest getting a single-phase motor 240 volts. The difference cost will be a better choice.
I'm going to swap it out for this. Tell me this will work. Ingersoll Rand Type 30 reciprocating 80 gal. 5 horsepower electric 230 volt, single-phase air compressor model number 2340n5-v.
That will work. Good decision.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.